Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gradient sticker on CapCut PC. So disclaimer, you do need like a white sticker for this one. So go to stickers, which is up here, and find one that is in the color white, like some doodles or something like that. I'm just trying to find one that I think I can change. Oh, where is it? Somewhere here. Something like this one you can change, or this one. I'm just going to add in more than one so I can show you. Just place it all on here. And I'll just do a few more. Or I think that's enough. Then I'm going to go to media, and I'm going to go to library, and I'm going to add a black background to it. Select all, right click, create compound clip. You can also add in animations if you'd like to. Like these. And then you're going to go to local, find a gradient image. Then you're going to select the overlay, go to basic, mode, darken, not brighten. You're going to choose the darken mode for it, and as you can see, the stickers change color. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching.